They cannot afford. They are earning hardly 10,000 rupees per month, and they have 10 people's family, 9 people's family, 8 people's family. So they cannot afford this much of money. And we told to our government, this money is going to enemy country. You can renew the order which Rajnath Singh ji already did, which Shivraj Patil ji already did in 2004, which Rajnath Singh ji did in 2016. You can renew this order, but these people don't have time for this kind of important things, and people are suffering badly, and we are getting pain every day for this kind of things. And CA, there is no CA till the date, Aditya Bhai. They have not implemented CA till the date. Almost 2 years have been done. CA came up on 9th December 2019. After 1 month, two years will be completed, but there are no rules, regulation, and implementation of CA. Still, uh, 4 days back, 15 people got citizenship in Jaipur. I think you also have some photos and all in your groups. So we are doing everything till today on the Act of 1955, but till the date CA has not been implemented by current government. Even they are not talking a single word on this. They are not answering our calls. They are not giving any answer when we met with these people one to one, big leaders who are running the nation. They have no answer. Okay, we will see, we will see. So politics is politics, Aditya Bhai, always. And politicians are politicians all the way.
This is a big shock to me, big shock. But anyway, because we are under a different impression in USA, Indian Americans not even aware of this. Now,
Gee,
the second, the last question will be that do you think, like, how many Hindus are left in Pakistan? And because I believe with the current condition of Pakistan and the Islamic rate of growth which is going on, because of all the Islamic countries are poor other than few oil producing countries, just everyone is poor. Now, do you think that in future there will be any program by the either the Indian government or the United Nations? And I seriously question US government more. Being an American citizen, I can question them that why they are not doing more to protect the minorities in Pakistan. If we Americans think they are the human rights champions, what happened to their credentials? So, what do you think? How many people are left, and how many people need to be protected in Pakistan? And also, the Indian government not implementing CAA, which is a shock to me and a news to me also. So, what do you think is left right now in Pakistan for Hindus?
nothing. They have to they have to go out. There are only three options. One, convert. They can convert into Islam. Second, they can leave the country. Third, they are going to be murdered or died. No other option is left. So, if and they are our blood relatives, Aditya ji, it become Pakistan just 70 years back. It was Bharat before 70 years. So they are our blood relatives. They are our people. We have to take care. They are forsaken people. And second thing, what there nothing is there. Americans cannot do anything for them. I am challenging with your medium, with your Satyology channel. They cannot do because they have to they have to develop their clear understanding. Radical Islam doesn't believe in coexistence, and Pakistan have been radicalized in last 25 years massively. Pakistani people don't believe in coexistence because they have been groomed in by their mullahs, maulanas. So anytime, any day, they can make hostage Islamabad. Tehreek-e-Labbaik. So French ambassador should go back, and French embassy should be shut down in Islamabad. It is third time they have been captured Islamabad. Third time.